Welcome to Moon Goddess Tarot. My name is Kat, and today I am doing another on-camera reading for you guys because I got some personal messages asking me to please do it again. So I'm gonna do it. You guys know I'm really shy, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I will fight past the shyness and do it because you asked. I hope you guys are having a great day. This will be a general collective message. It'll be nice and quick. And this is for whoever finds it. I'm sure there will be something that resonates for you. I ask that God, Spirit, and our angels guide us in this reading. Show us what is going on for the collective's greater good. And I had a stack of them fall out, which means that somebody is thinking about you today. And hopefully it's not a bad energy like we saw before. Okay. We want positive energy. Oh, and we've got it. Yes. All right. Somebody has been watching you, okay? Somebody has been watching you, and this person is, they're the real deal. They've been wanting to come in and make you a love offer, like a serious love offer. Okay? This person knows that you have been through a lot. I feel like you probably know this person, or this person knows you. I'm getting kind of the same energy as last time I did a reading in this style. This person wants to come in and... Hold on a second, guys. I had some fall out, so I'm going to go ahead and take them. Well, I'm just losing everything. Sorry, guys. Okay. So, oh yes, this person definitely sees you as the Empress, okay? So this person recognizes your value. This person recognizes that you are their counterpart. And this person recognizes that you are in an energy where you will cut out anything that does not serve your highest purpose. Okay. And this person as well saw what this bad energy from your past did to you. And this person, I feel like this person is like, oh my God, they're like protective of you. Like, they're angry at this past person for what they did to you, because they're like, how could you do that to someone who, you know, is so great, right? So this person is like, you know what? I want to come in. I want a chance with this Empress. I know this is for my greater good. And this Empress is never going to get hurt like that again, because I am coming in. Okay, this is how we start it. This is how they see you. They saw this person from the past, and now they want to come in and get you out of that energy. Okay, so this person... I feel like this person knew you when you were... This may be a friend that you turn to from this past energy that, like a friend you turned to when this old evil energy was like doing you wrong. Oh my God. But this person is like, no, I want to get you out of that. The Wheel of Fortune is turning in your favor. This person sees the abundance in you. They see the life you can have. They are determined to be your next suitor, and they're coming in a very positive energy. This is a good energy, okay? This is somebody who wants to love, protect you, be on an equal playing ground as you. They do not want to come in a low vibration, like this other person did. This person right now who wants to come in, they are trying to build up the strength to do so because they're a little bit worried, simply because they know you are the Empress, and so they are gathering their strength, yep, and they want to come in a hurry, okay? They feel like they have been sitting on this long enough. They're presenting as the Queen of Cups, but there is no gender in tarot, okay? So it could be male or female. They want to come in and give you this love offer. Pardon me. They want to... Okay, how can I phrase this? They are very turned on by you. Like, they look at pictures of you and they've been watching you, okay? You make them very excited. I guess that's the nicest way I can put it. You make them very excited, okay? This person wants to make you their world. This person wants to make you their world, okay? This is the Emperor, alright? He embodies all four kings. This is the Emperor. And he wants to come in and change your fortune in terms of this bad energy that you went through. He's virtuous, okay? And he wants to show you the proper way to be treated. He wants to change your fortune. He wants to give you that complete emotional fulfillment and happiness that he knows you so well deserve. He or she. I just say he because of, you know, the Emperor. Oh. We got flyers again. This person really is thinking about you, by the way, because that keeps happening. Okay, oh yes, more very lustful energy. Okay, this person is completely, like, spellbound by you. They want to be the fool. They want to take a leap of faith because they want to take it to the next level. They want the Four of Wands. They want completion. They want the star. They see you as the star that you are. This is the real deal, right? We'll get a little bit more and then I'll go ahead and end it. Okay? This person is so attracted to you. It kind of makes me blush, okay? I have the... I'll just put it this way. I have the Hermit and then the Six of Cups. This person thinks about you in rated R scenarios, okay? It's not like a perverted, you know, it's like a passionate, like, loving, you know, yes, it's like adult, but it's also, you know, it's very passionate. It's like you kind of push some buttons for them, and they're definitely thinking about you because I keep having cards pop out. So I'll go ahead and end it. Oh, my bottom card energy is my Eight of Wands. So this person is coming in quick. So get ready. Get prepared. Go get your wax on because this person really wants to do some stuff. Okay, honey? Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will try to do another of these again sometime. I got to build up the courage to do it. Alright. You guys take care. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.